Quarantine Cruise 42. This is my buddy Ralph. Also drove up from San Diego with his badass 71 GMC. I love this part because he's gonna drop it, I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Wait for it. There we go. Oh, so clean. Follow him on Instagram. Here I am, right next to Ralph, parked in the sun. Sun is popping off that engine. And my last video, if you missed it, is about changing my 1-wire alternator to a 3-wire. So go check it out when you can. Let's see what I do before that. That was, oh yeah, remote oil filter down there. You Pontiac guys, working great. My whole channel is about working on my car. So if you guys have a classic muscle car or truck, tips and tricks, subscribe. But this video is about getting ideas for your build. So starting with my car that I painted myself, if you didn't know, my dad bought this car brand new, originally gold interior, originally midnight green exterior. Try and get a good shot of the paint. It's not black. So if I don't find it right here, I'll find it later. But this whole video is about getting ideas. Let's shoot some cars. Here we go. Look at this golden yellow, awesome paint. Just super clean. Wow. This is John Henson's beautiful cruising machine. Look at the chrome popping in the sunlight. Wow. So smooth, so clean. And yes, there's a 5-tech throttle body under there. Got to love it. Wow, I want this. I want a modern C8 Corvette, but this will do. An LT4? What is this, a 67? So clean. And on the Corvette with a blower. Pretty in pink, as they say. Oh yes, I love this Trans Am. So well done. Roll cage, built for speed basically. Look at this monster. Oh, is that a Chevy block? I can't tell. Someone chime in on that one. Oh wow, look at the stance on this Impala. So smooth. Interior popping. There we go. This is Cody Curry's new project car. Yes, Curry as in rear ends. They just got this. They're gonna modernize it, make it badass, of course. Wow, I can't wait to see what they do with it. Oh yeah, here we go. Trucks, trucks, trucks. More like a Blazer, I think, but look at how smooth these are. I love lowered trucks now. Man, my wife would kill me if I get another project car, but anyway, check this out. Love it. A nice little Chevelle here. 5-tech equipped, and it's green. I love green. I don't know why. This is another badass Blazer. Look at this, an LSA. You gotta follow Pro Touring Nova. Love his work, the builds he comes up with, but this thing is killer. It is not an automatic. Check this out. That is a stick shift with 3 pedals. What is this? An 8-stack green machine? Someone help us out. Leave a comment. I have no idea what this is. It looks like it's from Australia or something. Oh, right-hand drive. Is that right-hand drive? Oh, it is. It's right-hand drive. Check that out. Wow. We saw this car in Del Mar. Marconi does nothing but body work, and he did this for himself. This is a 100% aluminum, no paint. think he polishes it with Pledge, if you can believe that. Great inspiration. He pulled all these different ideas from Ferrari, Jaguar back in the day, made this himself. So beautiful. Oh, I love the Chevelle. I love the two-tone. I love the black surrounds and the headlights, the black bumper, and most importantly, the stance. Those are 305s in the rear. Look at this stance. I think I need to make some alterations to the goat because that looks beautiful. And yeah, Lamborghini. Someone wanted their car to start immediately. Everything's here. You got a ride. Bring it. Oh, nice Camaro. I think this is a 69. I'm no expert, but it's so well done, so clean. The paint looks deep, and the interior. Another one of my favorite Camaros. This is a 69, built by Rick in his home garage. You gotta follow him. Super nice guy. He's got, I don't know, 315s in the back here. Nothing but meat. But again, he did it all in his garage, just like the work I do, but better. Here's Eric's 69 GTO. I love how they did the air intakes through the headlights, but this is his fun daily. So clean. Coming up on Dodge Corner, show you why. Whole bunch of nice examples. Superbird, Roadrunner, whatever you want to call this thing. I'm not a Dodge expert, but they drive this everywhere. They even use that back wing. Sometimes I'll catch them with their coffees and Coke cans on top, like it was meant for. Shaker, super clean Hemi, Barracuda. I have no idea what year. Someone chime in, leave a comment. Right next to it is the green one. So pretty. Another Dodge. Another Dodge. Another Dodge. They're multiplying. Bunch of clean Chevys on this side. There's red across with the Dodges. This one is epic. I love the stance on this car too. Wow. Here we go, another Trans Am, 78, almost original. I could never tell on the wheels, but there is a Bandit outfit for you. An Austin Healey, green, my favorite color, but man, this thing is clean. I love it. Gauges on the firewall. There's a new idea. Must be for diagnosing? Like, how do you read those when you're driving? Super clean. Oh, I love this Chevelle too. The color on its own is amazing. One of these days I'll wrangle the owner and find out what color it is, but this is so well done. And there's nothing but bugs here too. Volkswagen, dome buggies, whatever you want to call that thing, or this thing. I think there is a thing by Volkswagen, isn't there? Anyway, look at this drag buggy. Wow. Apparently a white guy drives it. More buses, bugs, buggies. Whatever that thing is right there. Oh, this thing is epic. Look at that. Where's the radiator? My new dream paint job too. I mean, how easy is that to take care of? Right-hand drive. What is happening here? That rear end slant. Oh, there's the radiator. I'll give you guys some ideas. Blown Chevy. Really? Super clean. Oh, hey-oh. Wind supercharger. Why not? There we go, nice clean Chevelle. Is that 67? Someone let me know, I'm not an expert. Wow, super clean though, 454. And a carburetor. You don't see those very often. Who invited this guy? Ah, just kidding. But, kind of love the livery. Yep, if you mistime it, it's a parking lot to get out of here just to go on our cruise. So let's see if we can get some good footage. Oh, I love modern Camaros too. Nice ZL1. El Camino. Yellow Chevy. Love it. Another Chevy. You never know who you're going to get paired up with because there's so many traffic lights. And if you're rich, get yourself a yacht and put it behind your house. Here's the meetup spot. Chilling in the sun. I'm gonna try and get some pictures because the car is green. Those of you that don't know, it's not black. It just got cut off. Dusty, but it is green. Continuing with the eye candy, look at this sled. Nice Impala. I just met Carlos, who owns this beautiful 68 GTO. Look at this 461. Very similar to my build. The stock wheels. Nice. Well done, brother. Another green machine. Look at this truck. Ooh, so smooth. And a macaw to match. Probably want a cracker? Here's that Chevy we were cruising with. This is unbelievable. It's an E46 BMW. I know that because I used to own one, but it did not have a blown V8 in it. Oh, jeez. I love this car. I don't know what year it is, guys, help me out. 71, 72-ish, but wow, is it beautiful. I want it. Here we go. A little bit more of a modern truck, but check out the rear on this bad beast. I don't know if this is the intent to leave it this way. Obviously it still has lights in the back, but dang. Here we go. I love this color. 69 Camaro. I think this was on Autotopia LA. Wow. Really, really, really clean. Oh. I think it's for sale. Hold on a second. Yep, for sale. It's November 2023. Do not call him in 24. He will not have it anymore. Oh, listen to that purr. Nice. Here we go. think it was a 67 Firebird. Ooh, again, that color. It's been a great day. Leave a comment what car you like the most. And yes, it can be mine. It's okay, you can do that. But hit the join button if you haven't seen that yet. Starting new members only section, solid modeling help, custom brackets, or if you just want to support the channel, get a hat. Do the minimum of the full Monty Club. I do keep my clothes on. So until next time, building fast, driving faster. See ya.